Accents don't just change sounds, they change vowels, and vowels hold meaning. Take the word bus. In the north, it's shorter and more rounded than in the south. Cup, love, money. They all can sound tighter in northern speech. Learners often miss these because they expect southern vowels. IELTS uses a mix of accents, so train yourself to expect vowel variation. Instead of listening for a perfect sound, listen for the context. If they're talking about transport, bus is the logical answer. Meaning first, sound second. That's how natives understand each other across the UK. And if you're used to your own accent, brilliant. Explain how your vowels differ. Learners found that incredibly helpful. Vowels change, but the message doesn't. Train your ear for variety.